Hello, what's up, everyone? Namaste to all the Indian viewers here. This is your African boy. You can say Mera Naam Gabs Gabi in Peru. Gabs Gabi, guys. Today we are going to react from military train, having an amazing video here, guys, by the title "How Powerful is India Military in 2023?" That is currently, guys. I'm so curious to know about Indian Army. I'm currently in India. I know how great is the Indian Army and how helpful and supporting and standing strong for the India so far, guys. And yeah, from this video we are going to learn more, guys. And don't forget, show some love to this African boy. This is my reaction channel, guys. Kindly subscribe, and if you want to watch my vlogs, I also had some vlogs with Indian Army, some videos I made about Indian Army. Check in Gabs Gabi TV, guys. Without wasting time, let's go.
Today, we turn our focus to a key player on the global stage, India's military. This force not only protects one of the world's largest populations, but also holds a strategic position at the crossroads of Asia. As tensions rise and alliances shift, understanding the strength and capabilities of India's military is more critical than ever. This video will focus on key factors, such as the financial backing, worldwide standing, and advanced weaponry in the Indian military's arsenal across its Army, Air Force, and Navy. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button because your feedback helps us a lot to produce better videos.
Let's go!
Now let's find out, how powerful is India's military? India's geographical location places it at the epicenter of regional power dynamics.
Nepal.
Sharing borders with countries like Pakistan, China, and Nepal means India operates in a neighborhood rich in both opportunity and challenges. The northern mountain ranges, the western deserts, and the extensive coastlines add another layer of complexity to India's defense strategy. Security issues aren't in short supply either. India faces a range of challenges that include territorial disputes, cross-border terrorism, and maritime security concerns. The tension along its northern borders with China and the persistent issues with Pakistan to the west are not mere footnotes. They are chapters in the ongoing narrative of India's defense policy. Each of these elements contributes to India's unique geopolitical stance, creating a landscape that calls for a military force as complex and adaptable as the challenges it faces. Money talks, and in the realm of defense, it speaks volumes. In fiscal year 2022 to 2023, India allocated approximately $69 billion to its defense sector. This considerable investment ranks it among the top 5 countries in terms of defense spending, following closely behind the United States and China. It's crucial to note that the U.S. defense budget is in the ballpark of $816 billion, and China's is around $224 billion, which places India's financial commitment into perspective. Breaking down India's budget reveals a tiered allocation system. A significant part, nearly 56%, is devoted to the Indian Army, the largest branch of the armed forces. The Air Force receives about 23%, and the Navy gets approximately 15%, with the remainder allocated for research, development, and other military functions. India boasts the world's second-largest military force and the world's largest volunteer army, with over 1.4 million active personnel and an additional 1.1 million in reserve. This immense force is divided into 3 primary branches: the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force. The lion's share belongs to the Indian Army, which fields over 1.2 million active personnel. In contrast, the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force have over 67,000 and 139,000 active personnel, respectively. These military personnel are a testament to India's diversity, hailing from various backgrounds and walks of life. Known globally for their bravery, commitment, and sacrifices, Indian soldiers are not only vital for safeguarding the nation's borders against external threats, but also play an indispensable role in maintaining internal security. Their expertise extends beyond national borders, as they have been pivotal in numerous international peacekeeping missions. Delving deeper into the demographics of this massive force, the average Indian soldier is 23 years old. Remarkably, over 10% of these soldiers are women, placing India at the forefront with the world's largest number of female soldiers. For their unwavering service and dedication, Indian soldiers are decorated with a range of medals and honors. India's military consistently ranks among the top 5 global powers in multiple defense indices. These rankings take into account a range of metrics such as technological prowess, the scale of manpower, and strategic capabilities. In comparison to other major military powers like the United States, Russia, and China, India demonstrates a balanced force. While it may lack the technological edge of the United States or the sheer numbers of China, India's military is known for its versatility and adaptability. The ranking criteria incorporate these various aspects to present an accurate reflection of India's defense strengths and weaknesses. Therefore, India's position in the Global Military Index is a direct result of its balanced approach to military development. What about their tools of the trade? Is the advanced equipment key to India's enviable position on the Global Military Index? Yes, absolutely. When it comes to the Indian Army, a range of advanced hardware elevates its capabilities. One standout is the T-90S Bhishma tank, an embodiment of armor and firepower designed for intense battlefield scenarios. Offering a blend of speed and protection, it serves as a cornerstone in ground offensives. Equally significant is the Akash missile system, capable of neutralizing aerial threats with pinpoint accuracy. Serving as a shield for ground troops and strategic installations, it is indispensable for air defense. The HAL Rudra helicopter provides another layer of support. A versatile flying machine fitted with an array of armaments, it performs various roles from reconnaissance to direct combat. Completing the quartet is the Dhanush howitzer, a modern artillery system with remarkable range and accuracy. It brings the power of long-distance shelling to the Indian Army's repertoire. What about India's skies? The Indian Air Force's inventory features an impressive collection of aircraft, each tailored for specific operational needs. Taking center stage is the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, a twin-engine multi-role fighter that excels in air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Its versatility makes it a crucial component in India's aerial strategy. Next on the list is the Rafale fighter jet, a symbol of speed and agility. With its advanced avionics and superior maneuverability, the Rafale enhances the Indian Air Force's striking capabilities. The heavy lifting is done by the C-17 Globemaster III, a military transport aircraft designed for rapid strategic delivery of troops and all types of cargo. Its capacity for heavy payloads makes it invaluable for logistical support. Rounding out the fleet is the AH-64E Apache helicopter, armed for both anti-armor and close air support roles. This helicopter offers a blend of fire and precision, serving as an indispensable airborne combat asset. Together, these aircraft represent a balanced and robust air capability for India, meeting the diverse demands of modern aerial warfare. Indians are also powerful on the seas. The Indian Navy boasts a mix of surface ships and subsurface assets, making it a formidable maritime force. At the helm is the INS Vikramaditya aircraft carrier, a floating airbase capable of projecting power far beyond India's shores. Its presence alone is often enough to deter potential maritime aggressors. Submerged beneath the waves is the INS Chakra submarine, a nuclear-powered vessel equipped for stealth and extended underwater operations. Its capabilities make it a silent yet lethal guardian of India's maritime borders. The BrahMos anti-ship missile adds another dimension to naval warfare. Engineered for speed and precision, this missile can neutralize surface threats at considerable distances, making it a key element in naval engagements. Last but not least is the INS Sahyadri stealth frigate, designed for a multitude of roles including anti-submarine warfare and air defense.
Okay guys,
its stealth technology
that was really amazing. I will stop here, and that is really enough for me to be convinced or to speak about how greatest or strongest is Indian Army, guys. It's not my first time to hear about this, not only through videos, guys. I also witnessed because I'm currently in India. I'm studying in India, guys, doing my study here, and I came to know that, guys, Indian Army, like, I will just give a brief example how I came to know how strongest is the Indian Army, guys. Because here, when I came India, guys, I first came to know that people respect Indian Army. Like, it's not about respect. They love the Indian Army. People love the Indian, everyone love the Indian Army, guys. I used to ask myself, like, why is it that people respect them that much and love them? So I came to know that that Indian Army is India itself, is the power of India. Without Indian Army, guys, there would have been no India, because India faces a lot of challenges, some fight, and you know, a lot of issue between India and Pakistan and China and India, guys. All those protection came through the Indian army, guys, because India has, like, so daily there is a lot of fighting terrorists going within the Indian border of Pakistan and China. But to prove that India army is strong, guys, India is so safe. Like, so far within the hate and the problem which is coming, India army is still standing strong, guys. And moreover, I found out that all the youth in India, like all the youth, they are so much interested to join the Indian army. Like, it's opposite compared to Africa. Like, in some countries in Africa, people don't like to join, to be recruited as army. But in India, for them, it's just like a dream, guys. People love to join the Indian army because they know how valuable it is. And I found out mostly it's not that they join because of the salary or food or something like that. They always join because of the pride of how strong, how great is the army, guys. Currently, I think India army is ranked fourth global, and the whole world is shocked also about the India achievement so far through the help of Indian army, guys. So for sure, this is an inspiration to all the youth of Indian citizens, guys, to love, to respect, and to join the Indian army, guys, which is really something great. I really see a great work like Indian army. They really. I also watched some videos whereby Indian army, they save people, they help other people. Like, those are all the real stuff used to happen, but camera don't catch all the time. But also they show some of you, guys, and those are really true testimony, and I believe in that, guys. This is really something amazing. I really love the Indian army, because without Indian army, I think all those enemies within the Indian border would have damaged or destroyed India, guys. But I can say all the best. I want to see Indian army among the top two global rank, guys. I believe in that is gonna happen, and all the best for the Indian army and the Indian government for making things stronger and helping the citizen to live and to stay safely, guys. Love from Africa. Kindly show some love, support my reaction channel. If you want to watch my vlogs also in India, check Gabs Gabi TV. Tata.